Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS DynamoDB queries in a Flutter app, full guide step by step clearly. To connect AWS DynamoDB queries in a Flutter app, start by setting up your AWS account. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service and create a new table. Define the key schema and specify the attributes. Once the table is created, note the table name and primary key details. Next, configure AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM). Create a new IAM role with permissions to access DynamoDB. Attach the AWS managed policy called Amazon DynamoDB Full Access to the role. Once the role is set, navigate to the AWS AppSync service. Create a new GraphQL API for your app. Ensure you use the DynamoDB data source for the API. Write your GraphQL schema defining types and queries. Deploy the API on AWS AppSync and take note of the endpoint. Now, in your Flutter project, add dependencies to your pubspec.yaml file. Include the AWS SDK for Dart and Apollo client dependencies. Run Flutter pub-get to install the new packages. Next, configure AWS Amplify in your Flutter project. Set up the Amplify configuration by creating an amplify configuration.dart file. Add your AWS AppSync endpoint and region to this configuration. Initialize Amplify in the main method of your Flutter app. Ensure you call amplify.addPlugin for the API plugin. After initializing, write a method to query your DynamoDB table. Use the GraphQL query to fetch data from the table. Handle potential errors during the query execution. Display the retrieved data in your Flutter app's UI. Make sure to test the query to confirm it's returning the expected results. After success, enhance your queries by implementing mutations for data manipulation. Finalize your app by adding appropriate state management techniques. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.